Hello and welcome to Sam's Easy Piano. Today I'm going to be going through a tutorial on Dance Monkey and we're going to learn to play this the easy way. Now I have already done a version of this which was a bit harder, but I've been getting requests to do an easier version of this, so here it is. So to start off, we're going to approach this with hands separately, looking at the right hand melody and taking you through my approach for the finger positions and notes. And then we'll then look at the left hand, which is really simple, but will add a lot of textures to the whole song. And then after this, we will then move into hands together, playing it at an approachable and comfortable speed. Then eventually, with enough practice, we could then move to a faster speed at the end. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up for more content coming really soon. So let's start off with the right hand. So we start with an F sharp minor chord, which is 1 on F sharp, 3 on A, 5 on C sharp. Now play that 8 times. And then we're going to move down to a D major chord and play that 8 times. 1 on D, 3 on F sharp and 5 on A. And then we're going to move to a E major chord with 1 on E, 3 on G sharp and 5 on B. And then move down to a C sharp minor chord. So after this introduction, we go into the verse in the song. So we move to a 3 on an F sharp. And if you can follow this pattern after me. Now, after this point, the hand position then is going to change, and I'm going to move to a 3 on a C sharp and carry on the melody. And then 2 on B, and repeat that. And alternate between those two notes. Then pass the 3 over to the G sharp and repeat that. Then play the 4 on the A. And then to G, back to A. And then play an F sharp, and back to 4 on the A. And then I'm going to play a 5 on a B, and then 3 on G sharp, and repeat between those two notes. And then we've got 2 more Fs at the end. Now, after you've done this pattern, you'll move into the main chorus. So it goes like this. So keep a 4 on an A. And then alternate between these two notes. And then to 4 on A and down to 3 on G sharp. And then that repeats again. And then it goes back to 4 on A. And then 2 on F sharp and finish on 4 on the A. And then after you've done this, then you go back into the right hand verse again and it just repeats around again. Now let's move into the left hand. There are just 4 chords, and these 4 chords are actually the same as in the beginning, but now we're going to play those with the left hand instead. So we put 5 on F sharp, 3 on A, and 1 on C sharp. And then we're going to move down to 5 on D, 3 on F sharp, and 1 on A. And then move to 5 on E, 3 on G sharp, and 1 on B. And then down to 5 on C sharp, 3 on E, and 1 on G sharp. Okay, so then once you've then learnt this, that pattern will just go around. So you should, again, practice that again, just going around those chords. Just getting used to knowing how to play them. And then once you've then done that, we're now going to go into doing the hands together slowly. So let's see how that sounds. So that's the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for listening. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a subscribe and a thumbs up for more content coming really soon, where I will be sharing my tips and tricks on melodies, harmonies, chords, and finger positions, and much more. Stay tuned for the next one, and see you soon.